definition. This is Local Memphis Live. Now, here's your host, Amy Speropolous.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us for Local Memphis Live. Oh, it's just me. Nope, that's just a joke. Let's see. We're on the two-shot here.
Hi.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Is it April Fool's?
It's not April Fool's, but that was a good one.
Just kidding.
Because I've been here.
Yeah, and I know, and we would be so remiss if we didn't say hello again to Chef Aryen Moore-Alston.
Thank you. Good morning.
We're so excited you're here.
I'm excited.
And you have come bearing gifts, my friend.
I'm bearing fruit.
This is
literally
beautiful.
Plantain.
I mean, literally plantain. Yes, and I just made myself look like not a chef.
No,
I'm not.
it's
I said, that's an old banana.
No, so I was buying this last night, and someone at Kroger said, "Hey, are you sure you want to buy those? There's some ripe ones right over there. They're perfectly yellow."
Okay, so somebody else said that.
Yeah, someone said it, but it was fine. But what we made today is in celebration of Rio and Brazil and the Olympics. This is actually feijoada, and it is a Brazilian bean stew, and it's made with pork shoulder, ham hocks.
Look at that.
Look at that. So basically, and it's over white rice, and there's some cilantro on it, and basically it's just a bean stew. And if you watch my season on Food Network Star, I made this, and I tried to make it in 15 minutes. It's almost impossible because you have to make it for at least 5 hours. You have to soak your beans, and that's what I did last night. And so there's pork shoulder on there, and there's tons of stuff, and I want you to try it. And while you're trying it, I'm going to show people how to make a Caipirinha, which is basically their margarita.
Okay.
Right, so everyone in Brazil right now is drinking this in celebration of the Olympics.
Because they have been sweeping.
Yes,
oh my gosh,
we've
Simone
been killing
Biles, Simone,
We've been killing it. So what you're gonna do with this is I have some sugar here.
Oh my gosh, that is delicious.
Thank you, thank you. Please dig in. So what you're gonna do is muddle the sugar with your lime. And so that basically just means to bruise it. You know, so you don't muddle to bruise, and so then you're gonna get kind of like a sugar paste, right? And so I'm gonna have you muddle. Well, you're eating, but you're just gonna muddle.
I'm
gonna muddle.
I mean, it looks
We're using bartender terms. I'm not a bartender, but I am a chef.
But we can play one on TV.
We can play one on TV. And so this is cachinsa. I think that's how you say it. And this is their syrup, their distilled alcohol, kind of like you can substitute in America for vodka. I wouldn't recommend tequila because then you might just get slizzard out here.
Yeah, don't get slizzard.
Don't get slizzard.
You are pulling out some good terminology. I love that. Don't get slizzard. No, you need to brand that, girl.
Don't get slizzard.
I mean, hey, if Kris Jenner can brand Momager, you can brand slizzard.
I can brand slizzard.
Yes.
Okay, so then we're going to put our ice in here.
Okay.
And then we're going to give you some of our cachinsa. Wow. I don't know how to say it. I'm butchering it. My language is Italian and Japanese, so I'm trying here. I'm struggling.
No, you're doing very well.
And it's very early this morning, so this might wake you up. Yeah. More so than coffee.
Yeah.
Take a
so
sip.
This is, I'm just going to smell.
Caipirinha.
Oh, it smells just like a margarita.
It's like a margarita.
So it is their version.
It's their
of
version.
A margarita.
It's the Brazilian margarita.
Look how pretty
Look at that.
is.
And then if you had some mint. So what we're gonna do? Actually, I'm gonna squeeze some more lime on yours.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go, right there. And then you can plop one right there.
How
we're fancy.
Beautiful. Look how
we are
beautiful.
Fancy.
I mean, you could do a Rio-inspired meal cocktail hour.
And that's what I kind of did for you. I didn't get to make the plantains or to what am I trying to say? Saute them.
Honey, you
but
did a great
job. At this point,
job.
I wanted you to taste the feijoada, and then I wanted you
I'm
to
going to taste that plantain actually. Now you've intrigued.
Well, that's actually just the kielbasa sausage and the Italian sausage.
Oh, okay.
So this is corned beef, and it's actually a product of Brazil.
You're kidding.
So I was like, wait a minute. I'm looking for it for my recipe, and then it was right there on the counter by the tuna fish and everything else. I said, this is perfect.
Wow.
So I found it, and I could make this perfectly today with everything that you would traditionally find for a feijoada here in Memphis.
Feijoada.
Yeah, so you don't have to go to Brazil. You can make this in your home.
So tell us again.
So that's corned beef.
Okay.
And that is, there's some pork Italian sausage, there's some beef kielbasa, there pork shoulder, ham hock, bay leaves, cilantro, tomatoes, chicken broth. It's everything in there. It's ladled with sodium. Sorry to say, but it's
no
really
wonder
good.
I wanted to just swim in it. And what a fun, and this is just beautiful.
And I'm going to keep going because I want mine.
Yeah,
this is a Caipirinha. Actually,
you test it.
I'm going to sip this.
Yeah, I'm technically still on the job, but you're not. You can test it.
This is good.
Is it delicious?
Sorry, guys.
Hello. Enjoy. I mean, it's Friday.
It is Friday. Thank God it's Friday.
And it has to be 5 o'clock somewhere, you know? Okay.
Might be 5 in Brazil. Anybody know the time?
I don't know, but it might be. Let's say it is. And you know what? I just love this. And you can find this. In fact, will you leave me this recipe so we can post it?
Yes, I will.
And we'll deliver people right back to Sweet Potato Baby.
Perfect.
So they can make this. And tell me the name of the drink again is
Caipirinha.
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 Yeah, well.
Okay. But look, even the fact that you can muddle, you can show your husband or wife when they come home, look, honey, I learned how to muddle.
I muddled today.
Chef Aryen taught me how to muddle. What did you do? I mean, because that just looks impressive. I love that.
Thank you.
Great thing to celebrate, and they are celebrating in
I'm
Rio.
celebrating. I'm so proud of every athlete that is in there.
I have to admit, I have not watched, but I did watch last night, and what a night to watch. I mean, Michael Phelps killed it.
Yes.
Simone and Al.
I was in tears. I was in tears.
I
was so happy.
Oh,
like
my
you can't
gosh.
help but be a fan. Like you're in the stands and you're like, win, 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 win.
You can't. It was absolutely divine. And coming up today on Local Memphis Live, in fact, as we're speaking, we are so excited because the red, white, and blue, the U.S. Olympians swept the competition in Rio from the pool to the podium.
Awesome.
I mean, and there were lots of tears, and if you weren't crying with them, and lots
of history to be made. Right?
Was it? I mean, for women, for African American women, for just it was unbelievable. For athletes, yes. Made me want to just go and you know, jump on the
wave
ball.
a flag like we're USA, we're knocking it, we're killing it.
Absolutely. Also, for the 17th year, the On Location Memphis has featured international and local filmmakers. This is a great deal because it's a chance for musicians, folks making their mark in the arts, filmmakers to be seen, and it really is a great deal and gets attention from all across the
and
country
submissions
and the world.
from all over the world.
Yes.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So today, we're going to meet the man behind The Wizard of Beale, one of the great films being featured, the Beale Street Flippers.
Oh, is that it?
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome.
He's here, and I love it. I don't know if he'll flip for us, but I'm flipping for them.
He'll flip for a Caipirinha.
He'll flip for one of those, And he's known as the voice of Elvis. He's here for Elvis Week. You met him, Ronnie McDowell. He is darling. He's here to sign his new autobiography and perform. But first, he's going to perform for us right here. You don't want to miss it. You know, it's so interesting because I told him, and I really do this with all the people that come on Local Memphis Live. I said, I've been stalking you for 2 weeks, and I've been researching him. And I read that when Priscilla Presley first heard Ronnie McDowell sing, it was around 1977 or so, she literally, it moved her to tears because she thought
it was Elvis.
It was Elvis.
That's awesome. And we're going to hear him today.
And we're going to hear him today.
Awesome.
He's here with his book that he's going to be signing at Graceland with DJ Fontana, who was the drummer for Elvis Presley for 14 years. And George Klein, who we all know and love George. But it's a great deal. So,
awesome. And a great show. Keep watching.
Great show. I mean, this is what we're talking about. The USA Gymnastics historically win Simone. I mean, whoa.
Yes.
I cannot even tell you how.
Look at that.
Look at this. I mean, just look.
She lands it and sticks it every time.
And her competition and her best friend, Allie Reisman. And look at this. You bite into the gold, and supposedly if it's real, you know, the medal. And then we're skipping to Michael Phelps. Now, okay, let's go back. I'm so excited. Simone is the undisputed queen of gymnastics. Now to Michael Phelps. And he is literally unbelievable. Look at this. The competition didn't even have a chance, okay?
No.
He's becoming the first Olympian to win 5. Then Simone Manuel, let's go to her, and here she is, an amazing, the first African-American swimmer to make history, breaking down the barrier for so many, and look, the tears.
I'm getting goosebumps right now looking at those photos.
It is unbelievable.
I saw her interview. It was amazing.
Oh my gosh, did you just not die?
I did. I'm getting it again. Goosebumps and chills and
I mean, girls and women across the country, and what this is doing for women, for athletes, for the United States, everything. So as we learn more about these wonderful athletes and, of course, the Rio culture, that brings us to the word of the day.
Let's learn.
All right. Let's take a listen.
Orgulho is the Portuguese word for pride. Orgulho.